Yo, Internet Computer ICP holders, something really massive just happened in the charts right now. We are having a breakout for the Internet Computer ICP price. So in this short and quick update video, we will talk about the recent price action, discuss what we could expect next for the Internet Computer ICP price, and also discuss the important price targets or levels to look out for. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the charts and discuss exactly what we could expect next. And smash like, smash subscribe, let's begin. Okay, so as you guys can see right now, we are in the charts for the Internet Computer ICP price. And look at what just happened recently for the Internet Computer ICP price. We are having, or we just recently had a breakout for the Internet Computer ICP price where we broke above this descending trend line, which is, by the way, heavy resistance. I have mentioned this multiple times in my previous videos that, yeah, whenever we do have a rally towards the upside, this trend line rejects the price, further continuing the movement towards the downside. So right now, we are seeing a breakout right here. It just recently happened for ICP, and that is great news because we talked about this in my previous video, how massive this is, that if we do see a breakout above the trend line, we would adjust or we would create new targets for this, and we are now targeting a pump towards this next major resistance right over here, and that is at around $10.6. Why is this massive? This is massive because, like I've said, this trend line has been holding the price down for quite some time now. Whenever we do have a rally towards the upside, the price gets rejected and we move towards the downside. So once we do have a break above this trend line, that is a bullish confirmation because we have broken the bearish structure, and now we are starting to form a bullish structure by breaking above major resistance, by breaking above a key level of resistance, and even above this recent swing high. So this is actually massive news. So what could we expect right now for the Internet Computer ICP price after this freaking breakout? So since we have broken above this trend line right now, again, I'm expecting that we could expect a sustained pump towards the upside to this next major resistance zone right here. That is at around $10.6. And if you do see ICP also successfully have a break above this resistance zone, we could move towards the next major resistance zone right here. That is at around 14.7 US dollars. So those are my expectations for the short term. However, just be warned that right now there is still a chance that ICP could be in a massive fake out, but that is why I'm looking out for this one. If you do see ICP have a retest of the trend line, we must see ICP hold this trend line as support, because once you do see ICP fail to hold this trend line as support and just dump back below it, then that is a massive fake out. So to avoid fake outs, we must wait for one more confirmation, and that is that if you do see ICP have a retracement, we must hold this trend line as support to minimize the chances of this being a massive fake out. So essentially, let's now move into the long term and discuss exactly what we are expecting next for the Internet Computer ICP price right here. So yeah, in the long term, I mean, right now the market is pretty trash because everything is dumping, everything is not, it's not doing anything. So yeah, I bet all of us are down bad right now in the market and in our investments, but that doesn't concern me because I still believe that we are in a massive bull run, and what we are seeing right now for ICP and for the entire crypto market in this dip right now is just a massive shakeout, and I have seen this setup happen multiple times in history. So yeah, right now ICP is at a key support zone. We are respecting this level. That is great. We are respecting it. That is great to see because, again, like I've said, a break below the support zone could be dangerous because essentially, if we do break below this red zone, we could dump to the next support zone right here. That is at around $4.4. So as long as ICP is holding this support zone right here, there is nothing that concerns me. And essentially, this is the last major level of support because a break below this could lead to detrimental price action for ICP. But again, for now, I think that there is a good chance that this could be the bottom right here. and we are now more than ready to begin the next uptrend for ICP. So if ICP were to begin the next uptrend, what are my price targets for ICP in the long term? Well, first of all, I'm looking out for these resistance levels, $23, $35, and $55. Once you do see ICP rally towards the upside, I'm expecting some sort of resistance to kick in right here. So be warned about that. And there is selling pressure at these levels. But after we overcome these levels, we can now expect ICP to move towards our final bull run target of $100. Yes, $100 is my bull run target for ICP in this cycle. So if you have different targets from me, comment them down below in the comment section. Personally, this is my target for ICP in this cycle, $100 for ICP, which would place ICP at around a $50 billion market cap. Right over here, you guys can see, and that is about a 12x ROI from the price we're at right now. So overall, looking good in the long term. It's just that the price action right now is too boring, and we should just be patient, in my opinion. As a matter of fact, if you are a long-term investor, this is a great buying opportunity, especially for high conviction altcoin plays you have in mind, not financial advice. But that is the video. Be sure to join my new Telegram group. The link is in the description. In this group, you will be receiving market updates and even get the chance to connect with very many awesome people. So this is a very new Telegram group. Be sure to join, and I'll see you there, boys. So